Making money online has become increasingly popular over the past few years, with more and more people turning to the internet to find ways to supplement their income or even make a full-time living. There are a variety of ways to make money online, and with a little research and effort, you can find the method that works best for you. Here are some tips on how to make money online. Sell products or services. One of the most common ways to make money online is by selling products or services. This can be through a traditional e-commerce website, a dropshipping business, or even just by selling items you no longer need on sites like eBay or Amazon. Consider what you have to offer and how you can reach your target audience. Offer freelance services. If you have a skill or talent, you can offer your services as a freelancer. This could be anything from writing and editing to graphic design or social media management. There are numerous websites that allow you to find freelance work, such as Upwork or Fiverr. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service on your website or social media and earn a commission when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. There are numerous companies that offer affiliate programs, and you can find products or services that align with your website or social media audience. Create and sell an online course. If you have expertise in a particular topic, you can create and sell an online course. This could be a video course, an ebook, or even a webinar. You can sell your course through your own website or through platforms like Teachable or Udemy. Monetize your blog or social media. If you have a blog or a large following on social media, you can monetize your platform by displaying ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate links. You can also offer paid services or products, such as coaching or consulting. Making money online requires dedication and effort, but with the right strategy and mindset, it is possible to generate a significant income. Do your research, find what works for you, and be consistent in your efforts. With a little hard work, you can make money online and achieve your financial goals.